to another video. Cool Story Bro here. Sorry that I can't look at my face. Hi. I have to ride around I'm riding around on a bike, trying to find Alberto. He's always playing. Oh, there he is. Look. There he is. Well, I found him. I've already made one video without him because he won't hurry up and stop going so fast. See, there he is. My friend Alberto on the bike, not the guy walking. He's just walking around with this little baby girl or boy. I don't know what it is. You should go ask him if you want. I'm not asking him. Oh shoot, about to drop it again, like in the other video I did. Yeah, alright. Sunny day, same day as yesterday. Well, the first time I made the other video. Yeah, that crap. Oh, you ready to stand up? Oh shoot, I can't stand up. Well, I can't. Shoot. Look, I'm gonna do no hands so I can show you everything. Look at this world. Look over there. Today's a beautiful day. Yeah, sorry this is so wobbly. I just told you I was on a bike. Alright, let's go. Sorry this video is going to be so long and boring. But at least we're doing a video. Kind of bored, sorry. Can't blame us. Nothing to do. Nothing to do about it. Oh shoot. People, just a bunch of what? Just a bunch of people. Dumb, get off the road! Dummies, guys. Dummies. Sees a kid trying to turn away with one hand and then tries to crash into me like an idiot. Dumb freaking idiot. I don't like that. I don't like these retards on the road. They're horrible. There's people down there. One of my friends, Alberto. And some weird guy and his sister and Alberto's sister. You know, starting to subscribe to my channel. I have my own channel, and so does he. All that. So subscribe to Cool Story Bro. I have two of them. One with the foxy curtains and one with just weird face. With no face at all, actually. Anyways, yeah, back to the bike ride. Oh shoot, slipping on rocks. It's a nice video today. Nothing really to talk about. A bunch of people. There's my sister and her friend, her little friend and her other friend. One of the boys named Kobe, the little boy, and she has another friend we didn't see. Because some of these guys are hiding. Like non-people at all. Usually people wouldn't be so scared of cameras. Right? There's Alberto's sister. Hi, Natalie. Yep. Say that 5 times again. So, yeah, look at all the people and all that stuff. Yeah. I put people on video, too. They were like, oh, and he's recording. I'm recording everything. You know, I had to walk on the other one. I called it a video. Sorry, this is boring. It was boring. I was just talking and walking and running and make it shake, and then I hit the ground. This one I almost dropped it. I'm probably going to drop it again. I ride with it because it's mine, and I can. Hi! A video. Bye, love you. See you later as a friend. Say bye. You know what? I'm gonna do something. I will see all you dudes in the next video.